Good day, class. I'm Mr. Ukpokov is my name. I'm the trade course teacher, and the course is mechanical engineering practice. And the topic today is shaping machine. Actually, we have various type of machine which they do their own different job. And this shaping machine is another machine that is designed, very versatile for a specific job. This machine we call the shaping machine is used to produce flat surfaces. Flat surfaces. Now, inside these flat surfaces, we have work produced. What are the work we are going to produce from the shaping machine? One of the work we are going to produce what we call horizontal surface. We are equally going to produce what is called the vertical surface, and we're equally going to produce what they call the angular surface. Now, in case of horizontal surface, we are going to have what they call the dovetail. In vertical, we are going to have what they call slot. Then in angular, we are going to have what they call T-slot. That's what we are going to have there. Now, outside this one, we now talk about the comparison between the shaping machine and the lathe machine. Now, to compare them, they have the same tool, which we call the single point tool, and this is the single point tool. This is the single point tool. The same thing you have in the shaping machine, you have in the lathe machine. That is only the similarity they have. Again, another of the similarity they have is that in lathe machine it has a saddle, and in the shaping machine too it has